This is the Basenor Model Y rear trunk organizers. These are designed to go in the left and the right side of your Model Y. These are great extra storage. They are fully waterproof. The dimensions are 12 by 11, and I think 9.5 inches deep. So if you've got dirty crap that you want to, store somewhere out of the way, this is a great option. It's also really good if you have dogs because these match the carpet on your Y, and they go in here and you push down and they sit flush, so you don't have to worry about your dog's legs falling in there. They're like 65 bucks. Link in the description below to purchase. Totally worth it. Also, there's a link to save yourself $1,000 off your new Tesla using my referral, so check that out as well. Okay, so all you do to install them is the left one here. You can kind of see it's shaped like a trapezoid. On the top right, there's a little flap that goes on the left side. You just go down there and you just kind of muscle it in there, and you can see it sits down there pretty nice. And then you grab the top part, and the left side, it's over on the top here, and you're just going to push this in here, and then you're just going to push down until it sits flush, like so. And you really can't even tell that there's storage there. So if you do want access to it, you have this little pull here, and you just pull this up, and then you've got access to that. Now you put the right side in, do the same thing, push down, and then just make sure the little toggle's on the top. Push it in, push down, make it flush. Here's your toggle. Boom, ready to go. The Basenor Model Y rear storage bins, here's what they are. Both installed. On this side, this is the right side. Got to get this cargo liner out of the way, but I normally keep my dog's poop bags and leashes right there. You can see I got dog hair in here, but this cargo liner works great. Goes on the second row. There'll be a link for that in the description as well, but really recommend this for about 65, 70 bucks. Like I said, link in the description, as well as a link to save yourself $1,000 off your new Tesla. Hope this video helped. Until next time. Caw.